Yeah, we'll start the second part. If you check out here, we have completed the base shape. We'll try to start work on the tail fan and all the stuff. So the best option is create a box. You can create anywhere. Let's take out create a box. Okay, my polygons is this is on, so I'll create a polygon cube somewhere here. Now if you check here, I got the perfect cube. If you press F, you can zoom into the selection. Now once this is done, you already knew that if you press 3, we lose the base mesh quality, so we'll have to add some loops. Add some loops here, one more loop here. I think I'll leave it as it is. Okay, go to object mode. You can hold right click and switch to the object mode. If you check here, try to rotate it. It's rotating based on the pivot here at the center of the object. So if you move here to the side view, you can see you need the just move like this. Okay, see, I'm just following the center of this object, so I can move this pivot and place it here and then duplicate the objects. So what I'll do, I'll press insert, and then I'll move it down holding this Y color. What is the Y color? It's green. And press back insert. Now if you try to rotate it, you can see it rotates exactly like that based on this pivot. And once this is done, we'll do one small, like we need some twist here, so I'll try to rotate it like this. Okay, now this is what I have it. I can move it later. Right, yeah, that's right. Now, oh, what happened? The rotation axis totally changed. So if I'm trying to rotate it, it will rotate like this. So the option is go to modify, freeze transformations. I'll show you. If you see here, there's some value of changes and all the things in axis. Go to modify, freeze transformations. It's clean. Now I want to rotate in x-axis. How can you know it's x-axis? You can see here when I'm rotating, it's an x-axis. So I want to rotate like exactly every 15 degrees, or let's take 18 degrees. We'll take it for 18 degrees. So every 18 degrees I want one copy. And what is the total value? Total degrees? It's 360 degrees. So if you divide 360 degrees by 18, you will get 20. So we need to have 20 spools all the way here around. So I'll go to edit. This is a new tool, duplicate special. If you come over here, I'll reset it. It's rotation in x-axis. Translate rotation. Rotation in x, y, and z axis. So x. So I'll go for 18 degrees. 18 degrees. How many copies we need? 20. Already we have one. So we'll go for 19 and apply. Ta-da! Reset. Always reset is the best option. Now if you check here, we got something like this, but we will not leave as it is. We'll try to create, or else we'll try to fool. So we'll add some one cylinder all the way here, try to move it back, F, you can center it and check it out. You remember we need to go all the way to the inputs, change it to 8 and caps 0 and press 3. You by default you lose the shape, so we'll add some loops all the way here, 1 and 2. Press 1 so that you can go to the face mesh. Go to face mode, select this face, hold shift this face, selected both the faces, extrude, click on box, on this box, so you'll activate the scale tool, scale it down, What's the shortcut key for repeat tool? G. Yeah. Move it down. G. Scale it down like this. G. Pull it out. I'll scale it down. Now once it's done, press 3. Object mode. You lose some shape, but no problem. We are not interested in. So you can scale it a little bit down. If you want, you can just move it down. Right? I'm happy with it, but still. So if you check here, if this objects are rotating, it will it doesn't look right. So what I'll do, I'll create a pipe all the way here. I'm starting from here. I did the pipe and then move it like this side like this. If you want, you can just go back all the way down here, change it to 8. We don't need more. And press 3. You lose the quality, but no problem. We'll go to Insert Edge Loop tool. Add one loop all the way here and one loop here. We need some on this side also. Go to object mode, but still check here, we need to scale it a bit. Now it looks so okay, that's good. Now drag and select everything and hold control and deselect this object so that you can select just the fan. Go to mesh, combine. Now this is one object. You got a lot of information. You need to go to edit, delete by type, history. It's clean. Now we'll try to rotate it. We don't know what, because we may animate this object anytime. Your pivot is somewhere else. This is totally wrong. So previously what we did to move the pivot, insert, but now I don't want to press insert and move all the way this from this position to here. So go to modify, center pivot. Just modify, center pivot. Now if you rotate it, you got it? That's perfect. Now change it to 0. Here also I'll delete everything. History. I'll change the names also. Here I'll change it. Base shape. This is maybe fan. I don't know. This one is a mirror. I can see there's some values are changed here. If you check here, I want everything clean like 0, 0, 0 and scales as 1. So I'll go to modify, freeze transformations. We did it for the fan when we duplicated the one of the wings of the freeze it. That's perfect. Now the next step is save it. So hope you enjoy this session and I'll see you in the next session. Bye.